How to sort the elements in a collection? If you want to go in for a sorted collection, you can use tree set. But the problem with set is it does not accept duplicates. What if there is a scenario I am having a list of objects, I want to sort the elements? It can be done using comparable and comparator. In case of comparable, you will get only single sort sequence. In this case, you need to make the class implement comparable. Say for example, I am having mobile class with brand, model and price. My class should implement comparable. We need to override the compare to method from comparable and specify the property with which you want to sort the elements. Whether you want to sort the mobile objects by brand or model or price. So that implementation should be given in compare to method. Because you can compare only one single property, you can have only single sort sequence. Once you have completed this, you need to call collections.sort method. Collections is a class from collections framework. In collections.sort method, when you pass the list, automatically it will give you a sorted mobile objects based on a particular property. This comparable is from java.lang package. Next, coming to comparator. In case of comparator, create a class that implements comparator. You need to override compare method and again identify the property with which you want to sort the elements, sort the mobile objects either by brand or model or price. In this case, you will get multiple sort sequence. How? If I want to sort by brand, I have to create a separate class that implements comparator, override compare method, sort by brand. If I want to sort by model, create a separate class for model, implement comparator, override compare method and sort by model. Similarly, if I want to sort by price, create a separate class that implements comparator, override compare method and compare the elements by price. Once you have done this, you are having three different classes. Now you can call collections.sort method by passing the object of any of these classes. So in this case, you will be getting multiple sort sequence. This comparator is from java.util package. So this is how you sort the elements in a collection.